Hi there. Today I wanted to talk about some of the common mistakes that we see in rent roll contracts. We do a lot of rent roll contracts, and no two contracts are created equal. There's different agencies and different solicitors have their own contracts. And so you've got to be really careful when using a contract to really make sure that it's right for you and it's fit for purpose. So probably the three main things, and I always like my three things, that I see as problems in contracts and common mistakes. Really, firstly, it's around the retention. The retention is so important in a rent roll contract because you really need to make sure that as a seller and a buyer, that you really understand when you can claim a retention and when you can't. So making sure that that clause is right and the circumstances where a buyer can validly claim a retention, super important. The second one is restraints of trade. I've talked about this before. Restraints of trade, generally at law, they're illegal because you can't restrain someone from earning a living, except where they're there to really protect the legitimate business interests of a person or a buyer. So where a buyer buys a business, like a rent roll, then they can have the restraint of trade if it's there to protect the business. And there's lots of different factors that go into that, and a properly drafted restraint will protect them. And the third thing is really being clear about what the person is buying and what the seller is selling. Sometimes people think they're getting more than what they're entitled to. They might want websites, or they might think that they should get websites or email addresses and things like that. And so we need to make sure that those are included. So they're the three things that we see as common mistakes in rent roll contracts. And as I said, all rent roll contracts are different, and you need to really make sure that they're fit for purpose and what you need. Have a great day. Bye.